Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be testing out 5 different cleaning hacks for the kitchen. So these are going to be hacks that you can use to help keep your life a lot easier when it comes to cleaning your kitchen. So these are easy things that you can do in order to speed up your cleaning routine, in order to just like make your life a little bit easier.
Okay, so the very first hack that we're going to try out today is going to be cleaning your sink with whitening toothpaste. So I just want to go ahead and show you guys the befores. We have hard water where I'm from, so my sink often looks like this, and it can be a real pain in the butt to try to get all of those like hard water stains off. But supposedly you can do it with some whitening toothpaste. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to be using Crest Pro White. You definitely want to make sure that it is a whitening toothpaste, and you're just going to go ahead and you can just put it on the cloth and start to rub it into your sink. Eventually what I ended up doing was just putting it directly on the sink and rubbing it with the cloth, because I had to continue. I found I had to keep on putting it onto my cloth, and I was just getting on with it. So I end up just putting it all over the sink and then rubbing it in that way. And you're just going to go in circular motions and just basically wipe your entire sink down. It does take a little bit of elbow grease for sure, but as you guys can see as I'm doing it, it definitely does start to look cleaner. Yeah, so okay, so as you guys can see with the afters, it did work, but to be completely honest with you, I don't think it worked quite as well as my vinegar hack, which I will have linked in the description box below or in an iCard above. My vinegar cleaning hacks, I think the vinegar worked better. As you guys can see, there is still some stains. So the next hack that we're going to take a look at is using some cling film in order to keep your fridge clean. As you guys can see, I had some stains there in the beginning, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some cling film, just any brand, and you just line your refrigerator shelves with this. And what it does is it just helps if there's any stains on there, you can just easily pick up the cling film, replace it, and you don't have to worry about scrubbing your fridge down. So it does work really great, but I will say that you do have to be very careful whenever you're picking things up in your fridge, putting things back, because obviously the cling film can come up really easily. So you got to make sure you're careful when you're removing things. Now, the next hack that we are going to try out is using a dryer sheet to clean your stove. So this is for if you have a ceramic cooktop, and this is supposed to really work well. I'm not sure why, but I have seen this hack and I wanted to go ahead and give it a shot. So all you're going to do is you're going to take a regular dryer sheet and you're going to wet it, and you're just going to start using circular motions to scrub the top of your cooktop. And I scrubbed for a little while, and to be completely honest with you guys, I didn't really notice a huge difference. When it's wet, you guys can kind of see it looks better, but overall it didn't really work that well. Now, the next hack that we're going to test out is how to clean your blender. So as you guys can see here, I'm making a smoothie, and whenever I make a smoothie, especially with blackberries in it, I find it takes a while to scrub your blender clean. So all you're going to do is you're going to add in a little bit of dish detergent. You're going to add some water to that, and you're simply just going to blend it up. You just put it back on your blender, blend it up for a few seconds, and that is supposed to get your blender clean with no scrubbing. So we're going to go ahead, pour it out, and see, and just give it a good quick rinse and see if it actually worked. And to be honest with you guys, this really does work, and I will be doing this from now on whenever I have to clean my blender. It is so easy, so simple. Then you save all that room in your dishwasher. You don't have to worry about putting that back in your dishwasher. It is clean from that. Now, the last hack that we are going to do today is going to be cleaning our produce with vinegar and water. So all you're going to do is you're going to fill up your sink with some lukewarm water or a touch on the cool side. Add probably, honestly, not that much vinegar. I would say probably a quarter of a cup of vinegar to a full sink, and you're going to add your produce in there. And then all you're going to do is you're going to wait, I would say probably a good 5 or 10 minutes, and just let your produce soak in there. You can kind of agitate it around a little bit, mix it up a little bit, but you don't really have to scrub it or anything like that. And the idea here is that the vinegar is going to clean and disinfect your produce. And you guys, I will be shocked. You guys will see at the end here, but now all you're going to do, once it's been sitting there for about 5 to 10 minutes, take your produce out and just let it dry on a towel. I just leave it to air dry until it's all dry, and then I put it away. But I definitely could see a lot of gross things at the bottom of this sink once I was done taking all this produce out. I definitely think that this hack worked really well. Yeah, definitely I recommend washing your produce. I used to be the type of person that I would just rinse it off. No, you can't do that, because once you guys see at the bottom here, there's so much stuff came off of this produce that from now on I will definitely be giving my produce a good wash, because look at that.
All right, you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments down below if I was able to help you, if you learned something new in this video, or if you've tried any of these hacks. If you are new here, I would love it if you'd go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I'm on the road to 2,000 subscribers, so I'd really appreciate a follow if you did enjoy the content today. And I guess I'll just see you guys in the next one. Bye!
About to leave, already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking, we'll get away to a place where we don't know.